Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Frank AI. So Frank AI is a tool that lets you use the latest GPT model, which is the GPT-4 unlimited times. And perhaps the best part about this tool is that you can use this particular app on all of your devices. So obviously it is available on your web so that you can use Frank AI from your browser on your computer. It also has an Android app, and obviously for all the iOS users, you also have Frank AI on the App Store. And once you have an account on Frank AI, all of the chat threads are going to be synchronized across all of your devices. And other than just getting written text from Frank AI, you can also generate images, you can analyze various websites, you can also upload various files, document files, and you can even upload images in order to analyze certain images. And Frank AI is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is close to $300, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $69. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So as you can see, you can send unlimited messages, you can upload various files such as PDF, XLS, CSV or code to train Frank. You can also get access to the web app, the iOS app. So for iOS, Frank has a lot of options. First of all, they have the app, and then they also have native keyboard extension, which means Frank AI is going to be integrated directly into your keyboard of iOS. And then there is also a widget, and obviously you also get the Android app for all Android users. All of your chats are going to be synced on mobile as well as web apps. It is completely ad free and you can interact with the AI in 130 plus languages. And other than all these features, there are some more additional features on Frank AI that are not mentioned on here. So let me show you those. So here's the full list of the feature from Frank AI. So you can communicate with Frank using text or voice. There's iOS keyboard extension. All of your chats are going to be end-to-end encrypted. You have home screen and lock screen widgets on iOS. You have memory prompt. You can analyze images. You can also scan text. You can even get transcription. There is also text to speech, analyze website, analyze files, image generation, and you can see all the supported models on here. And there is also another model upcoming. According to the founder, the next model that is going to be added is 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀. So if you want to buy Frank AI on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Since currently I am on my computer, so I cannot really show you how the mobile apps are going to work, the iOS and the Android apps, but I can definitely show you the web interface. So let me go to that. So after you log in to the web app, you're going to get a dashboard just like this one, or an interface just like this. So it's very similar to ChatGPT interface. All you have to do is just type your message on this box and then send that. For example, let me get some LinkedIn post ideas. So for example, I want Frank AI to write 5 LinkedIn post ideas for productivity. Let me see what I can get. So first of all, it is super fast, I have to say that. And obviously we have got our 5 post ideas. They are also pretty good. But once you get your answer from your query from the AI, there are some options such as you can regenerate. If you do not like this answer, you can obviously regenerate it by clicking on this icon. And you can also pin this answer. So you want to save it for later, you can just pin it, click on this, and it is going to be pinned. So let me show you where you can get your pinned answers. So on the left top side, you can see a section that is called pinned answer, and as you can see on here, I can get the pinned answer. But not only that, I can also get the exact question that I asked for this answer. So now let me go back to the chat, and there is also another option that I can even share this answer if I want. So if I click on this, now first of all I can copy this answer, copy it to my clipboard in order to paste it somewhere else. I can also share it on Twitter, Reddit, Telegram or Facebook. But as I said earlier, Frank AI is not only limited to text answers. You can also generate images, analyze website. There are so many options. So in order to get access to all those features, first of all, you have to click on this plus icon. Now you can see all the additional features of Frank AI. So first of all, we can add image, upload image in order to analyze an image. So let me upload an image. Okay, so as you can see, I have uploaded this image, and for example, I want a caption for this image. I want to share it to my social media. I want a caption. Okay, so now I'm just going to send this and let's see if it can do that. So as you can see, if I show you the image, here's the image. And if you look at the caption is super relevant to this image. We even got emojis as well as 2 hashtags for the caption. So other than analyzing images, you can also upload file and analyze that. For example, I want to upload a PDF file. So I'm uploading a PDF file that is called Mastering SEO Basics. So for example, I just want Frank AI to summarize this. So now let me send this file and see what I get. So as you can see, we have got a very good summary about this PDF file. And obviously I'm providing super basic prompts. So for this PDF file, the prompt was just summarizing. For the image, it was just caption, but you can also provide more complex prompt in order to get the answer that you are looking for from the image or the files. And other than adding image, uploading image or adding your document files, there are some more options such as analyzing a website. So let me open this one. So I have to provide the website URL on this box. So as you can see, I have provided a website link on here, and then I'm just going to click on this confirm button. Now all I have to do is just provide my prompt, which means what I want from this website. So for example, I just want to ask. So after writing the question, I'm just going to send this, what this website is about. So as you can see, I have got an answer, and this is the perfect answer. So overall, I'm super impressed so far with the results I'm getting from Frank AI. There is also the last option, or one of the most important features, that is generating image. So let me try this one. So for image, you have multiple options, such as you can select the aspect ratio. It could be square image or landscape or also portrait. So for example, I want square. Okay, I'm just going to switch to landscape. And then you can also select the type of image. It could be vivid or natural. I'm going to select natural, and it could be HD or SD. So I'm just going to keep it HD. And now let me give a prompt on here. So I'm just going to provide a very basic image prompt. Now I'm going to send this message, and let's see if we can get an image from the AI. Okay, so we have got the image. Now if I open this image, so as you can see, here is our image. Now I can download this image to my computer, or I can also share it to any social platforms. So I'm just going to close this. So these are basically all the features that you get on the web app. You can obviously send text messages and get text answers from the AI. You also have all these options. But other than that, on the left side, there is also another option. So if you click on this new chat, you can open another thread, another conversation. And on the pinned answer, you can see all of the pinned answer that you pin using this icon. And then there is a very important section that is called this memory prompt. So here you can provide some information about yourself or your business or something else that you want the AI to remember. So if you provide those information and click on the save into memory, so what Frank AI does is keep that memory, remember all the information that you provided, and exactly according to that information, it is going to personalize your messages or the text answers from the AI. And then on the left bottom side, you can switch to dark mode. You can go to settings in order to edit your information, and you can also reset conversation if you want. But other than this web app, as I said earlier, Frank AI also has an Android app as well as iOS app. So let me show you those. So as you can see, here is the Frank AI app for the App Store or iOS or the iPhone users, and it is rated very high, 4.7 out of 5. It has over 1000 ratings. So from these ratings, you can already get an idea how popular this app is among the iOS users. And if I show you the version history, you can see for such a long time, the app is getting constant updates. And keep in mind, Frank AI on iOS, it has a lot of features, such as you can obviously download the app. You can integrate the Frank AI into the iOS keyboard. You can also use the lock screen and home screen widget for the Frank AI on iOS. So here's the Android app, and compared to the iOS app, it is, I think, a bit new. It has also got a lot of reviews as well as downloads on the Google Play Store for Android. So overall, I think Frank AI is an excellent tool that lets you use the latest GPT models, GPT-4, GPT-4o, 3.5, GPT-4 Turbo, all of these models, unlimited times. Other than the text messages, you can also analyze your images, analyze document files, you can generate images, you can analyze websites, and you can access Frank on web using your browser on your computer. You can also use it on your Android phone or even iPhone or iOS, and all of your accounts are going to be synchronized across all of your devices prices. So that is an amazing feature. So if you want to buy Frank AI on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you're going to get all these features, but the actual feature list is on here. So these are all the features that you are going to get from this lifetime deal of Frank AI from Appsumo. So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.